Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I started the channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on stock markets of Canada, USA and London. And I also share my analysis on 10 currency pairs on daily basis. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. And this analysis is for today only. Okay. So right now it's trading at 0.8982. So I have got few levels here. Okay, you can see that after hitting these 0.9018 level, okay, as there was a resistance available available here, so market could not break through and ultimately it's coming down from here. So if after hitting this level of 0.8949, if market reverses from here, then you can go long. Okay, your target will be 0.9019. If you buy here, then this will be your first target. If it crosses this level this time, then your second target will be this 0.9044. Okay, and in case market fails to reverse from here, then there's a high chance that it will reverse from this particular level of 0.8933. Am I clear? Market is coming down after failing to cross the level. Market is coming down. Okay, if market reverses from here, okay, if you get reversal signs at this particular level, then you can go long or you can buy. Your first target will be 0.9019. If you see that market is again struggling at this level, then you can exit from the market. If market crosses this level this time, then be on the market and exit by 0.9044. In case market fails to reverse from here, then you look for reversal at the next available support, and that is at 0.8933. So this is the analysis of US dollar Swiss franc for the day. And before placing the order, do not forget to get the confirmation with the help of your favorite indicator or candlestick pattern, whatever, or volume. So that's it. And if you've found the video informative and liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. Thank you so much. If you want to know more about me, then you can check out my website. I'll be giving the link in the description box. Thank you so much. Bye bye and good luck.